Guys, check this. My team and I are about to launch something that we spent $1 million on, and you're gonna get it for free! And it's right here under this. But first, let me tell you a story. 4 years ago, I wanted to start a community for the first time ever. So I announced a meetup in Manila. I thought no one would show up, but to my surprise, 40 people showed up. The community was so fun, so educational, and so exciting for everyone. So I started a community in every country I went to. New Zealand, Australia, India, Denmark, USA, Uzbekistan, UK, Sri Lanka, Peru, Thailand, Singapore, Spain, Egypt, Malta, Turkey, and Canada. Then COVID came. And we started online communities. Communities for writers, for video makers, for business people, for NFT creators from all around the world. But here is the problem. Building a community is hard work. We had to use Zoom for events, WhatsApp for chat, Google Drive for courses, MailChimp for emailing. It was so much boring work. I almost went crazy. And it was expensive too. That's when I decided enough is enough. We are going to solve this problem for you and for me. And we're going to make it easy to start a community online and offline. So we built Nas.io. The easiest way to start a community, period. With 2 clicks, Nas.io integrates with WhatsApp or Discord or Facebook groups and supercharges them. With 2 clicks, you can host Zoom events. 2 more clicks, you can upload courses for your community. 2 more clicks, you can email and text all your members from one place. 2 more clicks, you get a beautiful homepage and a mobile app for your community. And 2 more clicks, you can accept payments and make money. What used to take us hours of busy admin work, now we can do in minutes. And guess what? Nas.io launches today! You can request access and we will let you in, so you can manage your WhatsApp, Discord, email, or Facebook communities through Nas.io. Our team worked so hard on this for months, and we really hope you like it. Nas means people in Arabic, and nothing makes us happier than bringing people together. Woo! Check out Nas.io. I'll see you there.